As individuals age, the likelihood of falling increases significantly. The CDC reports that over 25% of adults aged 65 and older experience falls annually, with approximately 20% resulting in serious injuries, such as broken bones. Aging leads to various physical changes, including weakened muscles, reduced flexibility, and diminished sensory perception, all contributing to a higher risk of falls. Additionally, conditions like arthritis, certain medications, and inner ear changes affecting balance can exacerbate this risk. Fortunately, several strategies can help mitigate the chances of falling. Balance tests at home. You can conduct simple balance tests at home with a sturdy chair or a supportive person nearby. Stand with your feet together. Step one foot forward so its heel touches the toes of the other foot. Return to the starting position and place one foot behind the other in a straight line. Stand on one leg for 10 seconds, then switch legs. If these exercises feel challenging or unsteady, consult your doctor. They may recommend physical therapy or assess for underlying health issues like diabetes or Parkinson's disease. Enhancing balance and preventing falls. Medication review. Discuss all medications with your doctor annually to identify any that may cause dizziness or affect balance. Vision and hearing checks. Schedule eye exams every 1 to 2 years after age 65 and hearing tests every 3 years after age 50. Poor vision significantly increases fall risk. Stay active. Engage in regular exercises such as walking, yoga, Tai Chi, and strength training to improve muscle strength and flexibility. Proper footwear. Wear supportive shoes with a wide toe box and secure fastenings while avoiding high heels and flip-flops. Home safety. Clear clutter, install grab bars in bathrooms, add handrails on stairs, and ensure adequate lighting throughout your home.